Switch to manual jog mode. Switch to handwheel mode. Choose tank polishing program. Bringing head press down. Tank polishing is straight movement with left and right direction. Switch to Z-axis to choose start point. Move to first position. Input start point and first point H. Use hand wheel to move. Move Z-axis to second position. Input second point I. Still use hand wheel to move grinding head. Move Z-axis to the third position. Input the third point J. Input endpoint can be same with the third point. Also can choose other position. Click jog mode, then click automatic mode. Back to machine interface. Grinding head up. Leave tank surface. Click cycle mode. Start polishing in automatically. When finished, grinding head will stop. And back to original position in automatically.